Medical Snacks with Dr. Janet. Savory tips for a healthier lifestyle.
I love a sunny day.
Whoa, I love a sunny day too, but we still need to keep our skin protected. Hi, I'm Dr. Janet from Baja Medical, a direct primary care practice in New York City, where we strive to make our place your home for your health. July is UV Safety Month, and skin safety is very important. Did you know that 1 in 5 Americans will develop skin cancer? You're especially vulnerable if you are a baby less than 6 months old, have lighter skin or light eyes, have a family history of skin cancer, take certain sun sensitive meds, or take lunch breaks between the hours of 10 to 2. So lather on that sunscreen all over, especially with an SPF of at least 15 to 30. And don't forget the top of the feet, behind the ears, around the neck, on top of the head and the lips, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours if you plan on being outside longer than that. Wear dark protective clothes like long sleeves, UV protectant sunglasses, and wide brim hats. Note also that reflective areas such as water and sand can damage the skin more. Finally, check the daily UV index. An index more than 3 can be a roaster. As always, please consult with your primary care physician. Remember, life is a gift from God, and the more you take care of yourself, the more joyful you can feel. Be well, everyone.